Respool a typewriter ribbon. So you'll need your typewriter with its spools inside. Take those out. You'll need a new ribbon. And bonus points if you want to make a little jig, piece of wood with 2 nails small enough to fit inside the holes of the new typewriter ribbon. So first we will take the ribbon off of the old spools. Take it out of the machine, take a photo if you think you will forget how it's in there, and just pull the ribbon off. Here's one that I have already done. Alright, take the new ribbon, and you'll find the end that has less ribbon on it. Unroll the few inches. Then we're just going to pull it off of that hook in there. The reason we're putting this on new spools is this one is just slightly too large to fit into this royal. So now we have the new ribbon and the old spools. There's a hook in there, a little hole on this ribbon. We'll just put that hole onto that hook. Alright, now we have one. This is the one we want to put the ribbon on. This is the one that's slightly too large. I'm going to put this on my little jig, but you can just do it by hand like this. Twist, twist, twist. Just respool it, the whole thing onto the new one. I like to use this. Just wind it up. Once you're finished, attach the other end onto the holes, onto the hook, the hole from the ribbon, onto the hook on the spool the same way. Then you have your new ribbon ready to install.